People who are present here amidst the audience and on stage. Thank you, Amitji. Thank you, Jayanti. Thank you, Mamtadi, for having me over back again. A big thanks to, of course, all the dignitaries, wonderful colleagues, and people who are present here amidst the audience and on stage. Thank you, Amitji. Thank you, Jayanti. Thank you, Sanju. Thank you, Kajol. Thank you, Pariniti. Thank you, Gochsab. Thank you, everybody, and all these wonderful people who've just felicitated us. It's great to be here. And I'm going to get, okay, this may not sound right. I will get spanked by the end of the evening, 100% by Jay Auntie for sure, because I promised you I'll speak in Bangla tonight, so I'm going to give it a shot. तो थोड़ा बहुत गलती हो जाएगा तो माफ करना, अगले साल तक बहुत अच्छा बोलूंगा मैं. It's like a cricket team. Next year we will always do better. Okay. माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्रीमती ममता बनर्जी. ये तो हिंदी थी, अभी तो बांग्ला शुरू हुई है. उपस्थित সকল সম্মানিত অতিথি এবং জুরি মেম্বার্স, প্রিয় বন্ধুগণ, আপনাদের সবাইকে আমার নমস্কার. কলকাতায় আসবো কিন্তু বাংলা বলবো না, এ কি কখনো হয়? Janti, I'm okay? Okay, you spank me later. এখনো আমার বাংলায় অনেক ভুল আছে, সে দোষ পুরোপুরি আমার. আশা করি আপনারা আমাকে ক্ষমা করবে. ওকে, আমাকে ক্ষমা করবেন. Everybody is a teacher in Kolkata. Thank you. আজ কিন্তু আমি আরেকটা ভাষার কথাও বলবো, সেটা সিনেমার ভাষা. So the language, please don't laugh at me, please, okay? I'm getting there. This will happen. So on behalf of the city of Kolkata and West Bengal and everyone in this country actually, a big warm welcome to all the dignitaries, all the people who've come with their cinema here. We wish you a wonderful and warm stay in Kolkata. This is the city of joy, truly in more ways than one. We will enjoy your cinema. There is a new aspect, two of new aspects which have been added to the festival this year. One is innovation in moving images. The other is, again I'm going to pronounce it wrong, in different mohallas and parks, Padai cinema. So everybody can be integrated, which is the theme of our festival this year, to integrate everyone, get everyone to be a participant in the cinema from all over the world. So we wish all the competitors all the best. And more than that, you know, whether you win the award or you don't, just have a marvelous stay in Kolkata. And my Bangla continues. Ami ageo bolechi, Kolkata amar praner shohor. Kolkata Film Festival amar praner utsob. Ami asha korbo ebarer utsob o protibarer motoi সফল হবে. আর বেশি কিছু বলবো না, আসুন এক সঙ্গে কিছু চমৎকার ছবি দেখি. নমস্কার, ধন্যবাদ. Thank you very much everybody. Have a great evening.